How to make potato skins. This loaded potato skins recipe will show you how to make skins that are actually crispy on the outside plus soft on the inside. Ingredients. For medium russet, Idaho, potatoes. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt divided. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Pinch cayenne pepper or black pepper. 2 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese. 3 slices bacon cooked and crumbled asterisk. 2/3 cup plain Greek yogurt, I used non-fat. 1/3 cup chopped green onions or 3 tablespoons chopped fresh chives. Directions. 1. Bake the potatoes. Scrub and dry the potatoes with paper towels. Bake the potatoes till tender. 2. Have the potatoes. Split them in half lengthwise and spoon out the insides of the potatoes. 3. Scoop the skins. Leave a thin wall of flesh inside each potato skin. Reserve the flesh for another use. 4. Top. Brush the insides with the butter mixture and spices. Pile on the cheese and bacon. 5. Bake. Broil potato skins for 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Load them up with any remaining toppings. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.